Alright, today I'm doing a review of these kind bars. These are the oats and honey. And here's the nutrients content and the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Let's open up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so they're very small. Look how thin that is. Okay, so that's what they look like. Quick taste test right here. It tastes like a sweetened granola bar. Yeah, alright guys, see you in more videos.